something that I want for $200, and there's not a lot of people. What is going on? What? I'm under the ground! Wait, where I was.
Oh my! That looks so crazy on my screen.
It happened again. It's all gone black. What's going on?
My weapon won't work.
Well, come on. Every time I get hit, it's like goes black.
Okay. Guys. These weapons do not work.
I'm dead.
I'm not. There's only one of...
I really should be. I'm dead.
Oh, wow. Hopefully they can hear you.
What?
Wait, come up here. I can say hi to you.
I have to reset.
Okay.
I have to hop in and join again. Because it won't go away.
Okay. Well, hello everybody again. She had to rejoin, so that means that we had to spend a day walking in shoes that are 1-2 size small. Spend a day walking in the oh, I know which one I am. I didn't get to pick.
I think that's the same weapon that we had last time.
That did nothing.
Oh my.
By the way, I chose what you chose, by the way. How is this guy so gray? You gray adults.
That guy has a good weapon.
I can't even jump on people's heads.
This is the weapon that I had one time with random weapons.
Let's see.
Wow, that was nice. Just, wow.
Let's see what I should save up, guys. Comment down below what you want me to get. Woo woo.
Yes, the wins.
Woo 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 woo. That's so many moves. I'm parkouring. I want to parkour people. Sydney, this guy is wow.
Yeah, teacher.
Oh, I know. And I pretty much know what you're gonna pick.
Yeah.
Because like she wanted this her whole entire life. She wants this, guys. She also wants to...
I love space and aliens. Oh.
Don't we both? We must kill y'all. Don't die on me.
It won't move.
Yes.
Back. Oh, I'm dead. No wonder I wouldn't do it.
Oh no, I'm almost dead.
Oh no.
Wait, it just teleported me somewhere.
Oh.
You must die, human.
You killed someone.
I killed 2 people.
Oh, by the way, we're playing Pick a Side. Can't believe we never mentioned that.
Oh yeah. Sydney, I'm gonna die. I think I was trying to kill my own teammates.
Oh my, why?
Wait, no I wasn't.
Not kill your own teammate.
I thought I was. By the way, guys, I think she said, but if you couldn't hear her, she said, we are playing Pick a Side, and it's a very fun game, and it's where you test things. So you can test people, like, pick squirrel through. I know which one. Squirrel?
I can't really, because I don't play Pokemon, so I don't really know a lot about it.
I know this one character, and it's very cute.
Yeah, I know what they are. I know Squirtle, but I don't know the other
That's
one.
what I picked,
The
Squirrel.
Squirtle's cute.
Yes, that's why I picked him. Oh no, I'ma die. I'ma pretend I'm AFK. Then when they come near me, I'm just going to wreck them. Ah! Rip me. There's people coming after me. I died.
Aw, no, go get Squirtle forever.
Yes, why not Squirtle? I'm sorry, guys. Our RIP headphone users.
Yes. Oh, I know what to do.
Yes.
I feel like I'm typing really slow today.
It's okay. By the way, guys, we do go to school.
I use headphones too, so don't feel bad if you're, like, thinking.
Yeah. Let us.
Can I just...
Wait.
Thank you, Maxim. No, don't. Please don't do it.
Get on my head. I'll let you on it. Get on my head.
There you go.
Oh, go to John and do yellow.
What's John?
Go to
John and do... I see.
I am so confused.
I don't even want to answer that question. It's disgusting.
I don't know what it is. I am so confused.
Brown from poop and yellow from pee.
Ew.
So,
But who's John? I am so confused. Wait. Be right back. forestkittie will entertain you.
hello, peeps. Intermission.
I'm back.
There's this little hole. Okay, I know what I'm picking at.
Okay, guys. We're ready.
I'm pretty sure I know what you pick.
By the way, guys, that was her dad.
Sure. Wait, did you pick work at a pizza place?
Yes.
Same.
I just killed someone. Hey, good job! You just killed someone!
I killed someone.
Yay!
I don't know why I'm happy about that, but in this game I am.
Well, in this game, if you kill someone in real life, you need to, like, get help. But, guys, I'm so sorry, but we're gonna have to end it for here. Ring that bell if you want to have one every single day.
To see more amazing stuff from Black Friday.
Yes. So, comment down below if you want me to collab more with forestkittie. And
turn on those post notifications to be notified every time something awesome happens. Someone spelled intelligent wrong. Well, that's a great way to end a video.
yes, intelligent.